Hello coders, welcome to Code with Ganesh channel. This is Ganesh. In this video, I'm going to explain another LeetCode problem, which is called toSum to input array is sorted. This is continuation of my previous video, which is toSum. In the previous sum, like it will not be sorted, and this is the next version of the same problem. Let's get started. First we will go through the problem. Given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-descending order. This is key. Find two numbers such that they add up to the specific target number. Let those two numbers be numbers index 1 and number index 2, where 1 less than or equal to index 1 less than index 2 less than or equal to number dot length. Okay, return the indices of two numbers index 1 and index 2 added by 1 as an integer array index 1 and index 2 of length 2. Right. The ask of this problem is to return the index of the two numbers which is add up to the target. Right. I'm not sure like why they wanted to add index by 1. It doesn't make any sense, but anyhow, like we will go with that. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution, which meaning that you don't need to worry about any of like negative use cases. Right. And another condition is you may not use the same element twice, and your solution must use only a constant extra space, right? Meaning that you are not supposed to use any other array like another array or something to save it. Right. This is the example use case. We have array of 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. The output is 1, 2, because when we add this 2 and 7, it comes to 9. So the index of 2 and 7 is 0 and 1. As a result, like they want to return as added by 1. So the index will be added 0 plus 1, and then 1 plus 1, it is 1 comma 2. The same thing with the example 2, like 2, 3, 4, and the target is 6. And if we add 2 and 4, it will come as 6. The index of 2 and 4 is 0 and 1. And if we add 1 with the index, the result will be 1 comma 3. Right. The same with the like example 3. To solve this problem, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the problem in a graphical way how you can solve the problem, and then we will jump on to the code. Okay, we have sorted array 1 to 7, 11, 15, and then target 9. So we have to find a mechanism where we can use this like sorted array to find this target 9. For that purpose, I am going to use two pointer, because like it is already sorted. We can use that with two pointer approach. Right. With the two pointer approach, like first we have to initialize the left pointer, which is the first element of an array, and then the right pointer, which is on last element of an array. Right. The first what I'm going to do is I'm going to like sum this 1 with the last element, and then the total is 16, and we will compare this 16 with the target. Right. Now the total number is greater than the target number. It is obvious that we have to somehow reduce the left and right pointer element. Since we already knows that this array is sorted, the left pointer will be the like minimum element, and now we want to reduce the total. So we have to move the right pointer 1 below. So we will move the right pointer, and then again we will go ahead and then sum the first element and then the right pointer element, which is total is 12. Again the target is less than the total. Okay. Now since like we know that the left pointer will be the lowest number, and then the right pointer will be the biggest number, again we are moving the right pointer one below, right? Again we are going to do the same sum method, left pointer element and then right pointer element, which is sum up to 8. This time the target is greater than the sum total, right? So previously like we were moving the right element, now instead of right we have to move the left pointer. Again we will do right pointer element plus left pointer element plus right pointer element, which is sum up to 9, which is equal to target, right? That is the final check we want to make. So as soon as we find this target, we are good, like we have to return this left and right index for the problem. If you look at the time complexity of this problem is O of n, meaning that on the worst case we have to like loop through, we have to go through like all the elements in array. And the space complexity, we are not going to have any array or object, so we are going to just have a couple of like constant to have a left and right pointer. So it's going to be like O of n, which is constant. That is the ask of this problem, right? With this we will jump on to like code. Now we will convert our approach into code. For coding purpose I am going to use JavaScript. As we saw in the visual explanation, first thing is what we have to do is we have to create two pointer. First let me create left pointer, which is 0, that is the like first element, and then the right pointer, which is numbers dot length minus 1. The reason for minus 1 is like the numbers dot length will give you the whole length, and the array is 0 indexed. If you go with numbers dot length, it will go one index after the like the last element, so we have to reduce it by 1. The next thing is we have to find out the logic, how long we have to run this loop, right? How long we need to move the left and right pointer. In the problem they already mentioned that we will have at least one solution, right? So meaning that you don't need to worry about what if there is no solution in the array, right? Definitely there will be a solution in all the use cases. So only we need to worry about like how long we have to move the left and right pointer. So for this case, like we have to move the left and right pointer like left less than the right pointer, and you have to make sure that you are not supposed to keep equal here. If you keep the equal, the last element will be summed up twice. As per the problem description, we are not supposed to do that. And within the while loop, first we will find the sum of the left pointer and then a right pointer element, which is sum equals numbers of the left plus numbers of right. Okay. The next thing is like we have to handle all the use cases. The first use case we will go with the positive use case. If sum equals target, that means we found the solution, right? So we have to return array which is left comma right, and you have to add 1 to the left and right index. That's what like the ask of this problem is, left and right plus 1. And the next use case is like if else if it is sum is else if let me go ahead and then else if sum is greater than target. Correct. So if the sum is greater than target, that means the total of numbers left and numbers right is greater than the target. That means we have to reduce the we have to move the right pointer, right, minus minus, right. And if not, we no need to keep another if condition. We already knows that we already checked equals and then greater than. If these two are like not satisfying, we are sure that it is going to be less than the target. So if it is less than, then we have to increase the left pointer. Okay, I hope like this will solve our problem. Let me minimize this screen and then run this program. It's a runtime error. What is it? I misspelled here. GHT, right. And then again I'm going to run. Yes, it got accepted. Let me submit the solution to make sure our solution is performing better. It is going to take some time because it has to run all the use cases. Yep, the runtime is 90%. So that's the best solution, like we got it, right? Yeah, this is all about solving like two sum to input array is sorted with a 2-pointer approach. Thanks for watching. Like for more reach and comment your suggestion and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.